Hi folks and welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you how to turn on flash notifications on Samsung Galaxy A15. You can choose to be notified by camera flash or screen flash, or both when you get an incoming call or the alarm rings or when you get a notification. To turn on flash notifications, go to Settings and enter Notifications menu. On the bottom of the screen, tap on Flash Notifications. Now turn on camera flash. To test the flash notification, tap on Preview. You can turn on screen flash. And to change the screen flash color, tap on Color. Choose the color. And press Preview to see how it looks, and if you like it, press Done. You can choose which applications will have flash notifications. Just select them. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. It would help me a lot to grow this channel. Have a nice day and see you on next video.